Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to add your payment method in Fiverr. So we are now here on our seller dashboard page, and on the top right hand corner you'll see your profile logo. Just click on that and click on billing and payments. Okay, and after that they'll be redirected here and you'll see 4 sections, which is the bill history, billing information, available balances, and your payment methods. So just click on add a payment method. So you can only add credit and debit cards and PayPal. You cannot add your Pioneer account. You can only have these 2 options. And that's all. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you on the next one.